Seeds are often labeled as superfoods, but when eaten the wrong way, they can actually lead to bloating, nutrient deficiencies, weight gain, and even hormonal imbalances. Seeds are everyone's favorite, but most people eat them wrong, and that can actually do more harm than good. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. In this video, we'll walk you through the top 5 mistakes people make when eating seeds, and show you exactly how to fix them. If you want to turn seeds into a real superfood in your diet, stick with us till the end. Mistake number 1. Eating seeds dry or whole. This is super common with chia seeds, flax seeds, and fenugreek seeds. When dry or unground, they often pass through your digestive system completely undigested, meaning you miss out on all their nutrients. The fix: soak chia for 15 to 30 minutes until they become gel-like. Always grind flax seeds and store them in the fridge, and soak fenugreek overnight to activate enzymes. Mistake number 2. Ignoring anti-nutrients. Many seeds contain phytic acid, a compound that binds to minerals and reduces absorption. Over time, this can lead to mineral deficiencies like low iron or zinc, especially if you're vegan or vegetarian. So, always soak or roast your seeds, especially pumpkin seeds. Light roasting breaks down phytic acid without killing nutrients. Combine with vitamin C-rich foods to boost absorption. Mistake number 3. Eating seeds at the wrong time. Seeds are rich in fiber and fat, which can slow down digestion. High-fat seeds before workouts may cause sluggishness, and eating large quantities of seeds at night can disturb sleep. So always eat seeds in the first half of the day. Avoid them within 1 to 2 hours of exercise or sleep. Mistake number 4. Not checking for allergies or drug interactions. Sesame is a top allergen globally. Flax and fenugreek can impact hormone levels. If you're on medications, especially blood thinners or hormone therapy, talk to your doctor first. Introduce new seeds slowly, watch for symptoms, and personalize your approach. What's healthy for one person may not suit another. Mistake number 5. Overeating seeds. Seeds are healthy, but only if you eat them in the right amount. Seeds are calorie-dense. A handful of sunflower seeds is 150 calories. Potential issues include digestive problems from fiber overload and even weight gain. The fix: use a tablespoon, not a scoop. Limit to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Think of seeds as condiments, not the main dish. Quick recap: never eat dry chia seeds. Always prefer freshly ground flax seeds. Don't ignore anti-nutrients. Avoid eating seeds at the wrong times. Don't skip allergy checks and never overeat them. Fix these, and you'll unlock the real power of seeds: better digestion, absorption, and health. If this helped you, like this video, share it, and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition content. Tell me in the comments, which seed do you eat the most? Thanks for watching.